Really quick video on finding vacuum leaks. So this is going to apply to pretty much all engines, but here we have a 2-barrel carbureted 304, and I've got a vacuum gauge hooked up to it. Vacuum gauge is very useful, and if you don't have one, you should get one. I'll put a link to just a cheap one that works okay. For the guys that aren't doing this all the time, you don't have to get something super fancy. Something like this will work just fine. So what you're going to want to do is hook up the vacuum gauge to your engine. It needs to be after the carburetor or after the throttle body. So manifold vacuum, just like this, is going to be fine, or underneath the carburetor is going to be fine. And what you're going to want to do is start your engine up. Your vacuum reading should just be, you know, somewhere in this range between 10 and 20 is most likely where it's going to be. And if you have a vacuum leak, you're probably going to have a surging idle. So go ahead and grab you a set of pliers. Set like this is going to be what you want, something flat that isn't really serrated because you don't want to damage your vacuum lines. And just go through your vacuum lines one by one and pinch them off completely. You should see the vacuum gauge go up. The higher the number, the better. And you're just going to go through all of them and until you find the one that's causing your lean condition. So we'll go ahead and do it with the engine running. It'll be kind of hard for you to hear me talk, but we'll do that next. Right now, we're you can see where we're at on the vacuum gauge, dipping down to 16, maybe 15 inches. And I've already found the bad vacuum line. It's actually our brake booster is bad. So watch when I pinch the brake booster line off. So that's our line. That's what we're looking at. I'm going to pinch the vacuum line off. Vacuum goes all the way up to 20 and the car runs a lot better. So you'll just do that. Go through all your vacuum lines, pinch them off while you're watching your gauge. If you don't have a gauge and your car is running poorly enough, then you may be able to diagnose which line is leaking just by how the car runs. I know right now my power brakes don't work, so it's pretty obvious that it's our brake booster here. But yeah, that's pretty much it. If you have any questions, put them in the comments. Thanks for watching.